After the dinosaurs went extinct, the Earth was a vastly different place. The global climate was much cooler and drier, and the dominant forms of life were small mammals and birds. The land was also dramatically different, with new mountain ranges rising and old ones eroding away. The continents were also in different positions than they are today, and the oceans were much shallower. During the first few million years after the extinction of the dinosaurs, the planet was dominated by mammals of all shapes and sizes. These early mammals were small and furry, and adapted to a wide range of habitats, from trees to underground burrows. They were also active at all times of the day and night, and had a variety of feeding strategies. Some were herbivores, while others were carnivores or omnivores. The first primates, the group of mammals that includes humans, also appeared during this time. These early primates were small, arboreal creatures that lived in trees and ate fruits and leaves. They had large brains and grasping hands and feet, which helped them to move through the trees and find food. As the climate continued to cool and dry, the forests that covered much of the planet began to shrink. Grasslands, savannas, and deserts began to spread, and new types of mammals evolved to live in these new environments. Some became large and grazed on grasses, while others became small and burrowed underground. The first birds also appeared during this time, and they were very different from the birds we know today. They had teeth, and many were able to fly. Some were also very large, with wingspans of up to 20 feet. The continents also changed dramatically after the extinction of the dinosaurs. The supercontinent Pangaea started to break apart, and the continents began to drift to their present-day positions. As the continents moved, the oceans and climate also changed. The shallow seas that covered much of the planet began to recede, and new mountain ranges rose up as the continents collided. As the Earth continued to change and evolve, new forms of life also began to appear. One of the most notable groups of animals that evolved to fill a wide range of ecological niches, from small, agile predators to large, plant-eating herbivores. One of the most important events in the evolution of mammals was the development of endothermy, or warm-bloodedness. This allowed mammals to maintain a relatively constant body temperature, which gave them a significant advantage over other animals. They were able to be active in a wide range of environments, including cold and hot climates, and they could also hunt or forage for food at any time of the day or night. As the mammals continued to evolve, some groups began to take on more complex social structures. The primates, for example, evolved to live in large groups, and they developed advanced communication and problem-solving skills. Other mammals, such as elephants, also evolved complex social systems, with tight-knit family groups and complex communication systems. Meanwhile, the plants also evolved and diversified, adapting to the changing climate and landscapes. Trees, grasses, and other plants colonized new areas, and they played a critical role in shaping the Earth's ecosystems. They provided food and shelter for a wide range of animals, and they also help to regulate the Earth's climate by absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. As the climate continued to change, the Earth also went through several ice ages. During these periods, huge sheets of ice covered much of the northern hemisphere, and the sea level dropped significantly. This had a major impact on the Earth's ecosystems, as many species were forced to migrate or adapt to the changing conditions. In conclusion, after the extinction of the dinosaurs, the Earth continued to change and evolve. The mammals and birds diversified and took on many different forms, and the continents and oceans also changed. Plants also evolved and diversified, playing a critical role in shaping the Earth's ecosystems. The Earth also went through several ice ages, which had a major impact on the planet's ecosystems. The evolution of mammals, plants, and the Earth's geology continue to shape the Earth we see today.